You wouldn't believe how much I paid for this whole bowl of attieke in Abidjan 3V. In fact, this is the cheapest street food I've ever tried in Abidjan. It's called Gaba and it's so delicious.
Wow. What are we see? So he's the boss Gaba. I am Lentis, the dopest in Tavier, right?
Hello brothers, sisters, man, Orkodo. So I'm in 3V in Abidjan, and 3V is an area in Abidjan where a lot of foreigners reside. For that matter, there are a lot of street food that I can find in this area. This food I'm about to show you is called Gaba, and they use attieke to make it. And it's one of the cheapest food you can ever find in the city of Abidjan, Côte d'Ivoire. So let's get to location and let me show you the rundown and everything. So if today's your first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, Cooking with Sindaco, Abidjan Diaries, or Kodo.
So you guys have been asking me to try Gaba, okay? So basically Gaba is like, they say it's attieke, but males or guys do this kind of recipe. So I'm here, and this is the Gaba. So he did it, right? He does everything.
Yes, Gaba.
So how much is this one?
Attieke.
And how much?
100 francs, 100
CFA.
100 CFA.
Wow, man, this is so cheap.
100 CFA.
Wow, okay. And how is it doing?
This one pepe.
Pepe.
Yes.
Wow.
This one tomatoes.
That's okay.
This one onions.
Yeah, add it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Donc tu fais 50 Tout n'a qu'à faire.
Man, the bowl is 100 CFA and 100 CFA is 2 cedis. Damn. So the difference between the Gaba and other normal attieke is that this only the male do this one. Amazing. And fish.
Yes.
Tina fish.
I can compare angry? You compare angry? Small, MP.
The Gaba what
This one 300.
This one 300.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, the price is naturally.
Yes.
300 for 350, 200, 250.
Yes.
Wow.
400.
Okay, 400, 500. Interesting. Yes. Amazing. Comment tu t'appelles?
Gaba.
Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles?
Ambali.
Amali, okay. It's been really for long? Actually, how many years been doing this?
Il demande s'il y a longtemps tu es là.
Yes.
Long time.
7 years.
7 years, okay. Yes. And he has the Ivorian flag painted on the wall like that.
Yes.
Amazing.
Donc faut mettre poisson. Faut mettre.
So that's
Quand Gaba oye ou fenen. Comment on appelle thon?
thon.
Fish thon.
Okay, fresh one.
Yes.
Yeah, you've been marinated already.
Yes.
Amazing, man. That aroma. This is real tuna.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. So you fry everything yourself. You do everything yourself, yeah.
Yes.
Man, this is interesting for shizzle man. Hey, Litana.
I say.
Hey, Niti Hafana.
Oh, part pinja won wo hwe eyi ni.
Okay, physical. Okay. Wow. So you know the nice Gaba around you.
Gaba.
So when you come to Travers and here at this side, let me show you the street. Man, this is a street. Okay, so over here, and man, see the location over here. He has Ivorian color over here. Sorry? Avenue 11
Rue 10 Barré.
Okay, that's the address.
Yes.
Avenue 11 Rue 10 Barré.
Okay, Avenue 11 is 10 Paris, right? Amazing. No sauce.
No.
No sauce.
So I put oil.
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 I put oil inside.
I put oil inside.
Yes.
Okay, so this.
After then the put salt.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so there's oil inside the attieke and the salt. Wow, so that will give the flavor.
Yes.
Wow, amazing. Did you add it now?
Yes.
I didn't see it. Okay. Okay. Let me see the oil. Where is the oil? The oil? Where is the oil?
The oil there.
Oh, okay, so this is the oil. Okay, so this
When they fry the fish.
Fresh. Okay,
Yes, and then they fry the fish the way. Yes.
Okay. So that's a bit was added to this one. Amazing, interesting. And one thing I'm seeing or I'm loving over here in Abidjan Côte is that the other attieke that I tried, they had a leaf. Right now, so I see that he also has a leaf over there. So they take away, they put inside the leaf, not to rubber. So you can add salt to it if you want. Okay. Amazing. Hello, brothers, sisters. Man, finally, I have here the Gaba. Okay, this was done by, was being done by male. Okay, not ladies. Male do this kind of recipe attieke, and it's called Gaba. Man, you see how crunchy and crispy the fish look like. This is original fish, a delicious fish, more or less like tuna. Okay, that's what they used to prepare this. And I have here Madam Theodora. Man, over here there's no sauce or pepper sauce, so a bit of oil that was used to fry the fish. That was what they used to marinate the attieke or everything. And this is the boss man. Boss man, see. So he's the boss Gaba. I'm learning he's the dopest in Travier, right? Travier.
Yes.
What's the address?
Trècheville.
What's the address?
13 Avenue 11 rue 10 Barré.
This Barré. So that's the address. This Barré. Man, it is what it is. And for Shazza Manes, let's take a bite. Amazing. See this? Amazing. So a bit of onion, pepper, and the tomatoes and attieke itself. Okay.
How would you
Wow.
Il y a deux sens.
Wow.
Il y a deux sens.
Wow, man. Man, the oil from the fish is good flavor to the attieke.
Yes, so papa.
Wow. So the whole of this attieke is 100 silver, which is 2 cedis. The whole of this attieke is 2 cedis. And the tomatoes, how much?
Tomatoes
50 pence.
Yes.
Onion 50.
Yes.
Pepper 50.
No, pepper.
It's free.
It's free.
Okay, so attieke 100 silver, pepper, onion and tomatoes 100 silver, 200, and the fish this is 300,
300.
which is 6.
Other one 300.
So 6 cedis. So 6 cedis, which is 12 plus 4 cedis, which is 12 plus 4, which is 16. Wow, amazing. Man, this is so cheap. To me, this is cheap. It's affordable. Wow. How is it? How is it?
Fine.
Fine, love it. Amazing. Man, come try this attieke over here. Gaba. Well, probably. Man, this is really nice. It's so delicious. The oil. Man, look at this. The oil is doing the magic. No sauce. The oil is doing the magic. So this is being eaten in the afternoon, morning. Like any day, you can eat this. From morning, afternoon, evening. So breakfast, lunch, and supper, you can eat Gaba. Or attieke. Then. So there's a soup. Okay, after eating, you wash your hand, and that's the tap over there. You also wash the plates over there. The whole thing that we ate, including mine and hers, cost 1,200 CFA. Man, this is really affordable. You see the fish, the quantity of that attieke itself, and the whole thing that went on, just 1,200 CFA. Like yesterday, the one we spent was 4,000, right? 4,000. We spent 4,000, 4,500 for just a plate. But here it's crazy, man. You need to come to Gaba, man. Gaba. Say Orokodo.
Orokodo.
Orokodo.